is your answer, Sufyan?
Current in temperature. আচ্ছা, ampere and Kelvin.
Yeah, you can write any two, right? Other than mass, length, and time, you can write any two. You have the list of 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
continue
sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Asan. Continue B.
A wire hangs between 2 points, 2 fixed points, as shown in Figure 12.1. A child's swing is made by connecting a car tire to the wire using a rope and a hook. The system is equilibrium with the wire hanging at the angle of 17 degrees to the horizontal. The tension in the wire is 1.150 Newton. Assume that the rope and hook have negligible weight. Determine the weight of the tire. So tire weight বের করতে হবে.
Okay, so how you'll get it? Weight of the tire. Should I help you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, try to
Okay, look, here we have the tire is balanced here, right? The tire
sir.
is balanced here, so we have actually one resultant force. This tire has some weight, and that weight is balanced with a force, opposite force, right? One opposite resultant
Yes,
force is balancing this tire. Otherwise, it will drop down, right? It cannot be staying
Yes,
here.
sir.
So that one we are getting from this, if you think of this one is a triangle, right? This one is a triangle, and this
Yes,
one is
sir.
another triangle. So we are getting the, this side. If you think it is our,
we get an isosceles triangle.
yeah, it is our resultant, like 150 Newton is our resultant. We got one formula. Can you remember that? P cos theta, P sin theta. Can you remember in my notes?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you just
So-
think of, look, I am not done. Yeah, 17 degree. These two lines are parallel, right? These two lines are parallel, and this line is intersect with this parallel line. So if it is 17, then this 17 will be alternate angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are getting here alternate angle 70 degree. So now you can match with that formula, right?
Yes, sir.
The formula I gave
Yes,
you.
sir.
So this component is vertical component, right? So for these two vectors, we are getting two vertical components which combinedly balancing this weight. So two vertical components are 150 sine 17 degree, right?
Sir, horizontal.
Plus 43.8586.
Listen, the angle is made with the horizontal always. Our formula, if you check my notes, you will get that this one was theta, right? This one was theta, this one was P, then it is vertical component, it is horizontal component, right? Now our
Yes, sir.
resultant is vertical component. So we have to take this one, which is giving you P sine theta. Is it clear? So for this
Yes,
one,
sir.
we are getting 1 P sine theta. For this one, we are getting another P sine theta. So ultimately, we are getting 2 P sine theta, right?
Yes, sir.
2 P sine theta, you write it. 2p sine theta. You draw also this diagram. Asan, you have the
So I'm
printed
drawing.
notes. Yeah, you have the printed notes. If you draw it, it will be easier to recall. And also, Sufyan, you please draw it. Huh?
Yes, sir. I already finished it, sir. Is the
Okay, thank
answer
you so much.
87.7, sir?
Okay, mashallah. So you got it. 2 times 150 times sine 17, right? Isn't it? Sine 17.
87.7.
Yes, your answer is correct. So you both are correct. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
So here we go. We have 87.7. We have the answer 87.7. I'm writing here 87.7, and the answer is in Newton, right? It's in Newton
Yes.
because 150 Newton, another 150 Newton is making Newton. The answer is Newton. So we are done with 12.
Yes, sir.
We have some questions left which are related to drawing. We are going to those questions. If you go through the structured questions, then we can see our first drawing is 2B2. 2B, 2B1, yeah, 2B1 is there. I think, Sufyan, did we do it with you? Sufyan,
Sir,
you check.
sir, 2B1, we could do.
Yes,
2B1 is curved.
yeah, carve. We did it.
Yes, sir. Sir, we need to do now 7.
Okay. 7.
Like 7D, 7C.
Sufyan,
On 7C we will stop.
did we do this with you, Sufyan? Hello, Sufyan. Sufyan, are you listening? Sufyan is not there in the. Now Navid is coming. Navid,
Yes, sir.
we already did the other part of question 12. Why you are
Okay, sir.
late?
Sir, I joined in 10:22.
Oh, I see. But I did not see the messenger. That's why it was taking time. We were discussing the question.
No,
So
sir.
anyway, we had some questions left related to drawing. So you got
Yes, sir.
this 2B1.
Sir,
This
are you
graph.
recording the class?
Yes, I'm recording.
Oh,
I'm recording the class. Yeah, Navid, did you get this? Did you get this answer, Navid?
No, sir. No, sir.
So they are asking us what will be the shape
sir,
of
this one
this.
is the shape I have drawn.
You have drawn this. Why?
Like said, it will be like this.
Why it will be like
Sir,
that?
what is T square?
So I'm drawing it again.
Okay, we will come here. Asan, again we will come here. Wait. So look here, we have this equation. Navid,
Yes, sir.
E equals K A T to the power 4. So they are saying K is constant.
Yes, sir.
K is constant. Now they are saying A is also constant. So your equation, if K is constant, A is constant, then according to numerical formula, it will come P is directly proportional to T to the power 4. Asan, are
Yes,
you
sir.
writing? Asan, why it's like that? You write in notes as K and A are constants. Yeah, Asan.
Sir,
Any answer you are saying. What I like with explanation. If you are saying the graph will be like this, then why the graph will be like that? Why it's not like a straight line? Why it's not?
sir, because it is
Yeah, you drew it with decreasing gradient. Why not it with increasing gradient? That is also my question.
uh, sir,
Okay, so
because
yeah, tell me why.
sir, it is variation with t square of p.
And that is the appropriate explanation that is coming
No,
with
sir.
decreasing gradient. Okay, look, here we have now, after this one, you see the graph is not giving you p t to the power 4 scale, you or variables. They are giving you p t square. Your variable is t square. It's not t to the
Yes,
power
sir.
4. If it is t to the power 4, then it will be directly straight line. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If the graph is here t to the power 4, then it will be directly straight line. But they gave you what? T square. So you make your equation like that. P directly proportional to t square, then whole square. Can you write this?
Sir, I wrote.
Okay. So after writing this, I will have discussion with you with another equation. The equation is known as equation of motion. For one object is traveling in linear motion with constant acceleration. We have the formula of displacement, that is S equals ut plus half at square. You know this formula, right?
Yes, sir. S is
And
equals to u t
in
plus half a
kinematics,
t is.
in kinematics, which one is topic 3? We are going to discuss that one. And in kinematics, you'll get all the equations of motions. So when we are doing topic 1 and taking exams in AS, they are thinking we know the equation of motion and all other things is known to me. We know Young modulus, uh, speed of light, wavelength of light, everything you know. That's why they are giving you this type of questions. Okay. So now let us think about that equation. S equals ut plus half at square. Okay. You write it here. S equals ut
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this is from, sir, like how many years is there in this question paper?
Here, I couldn't give you so many years, maybe 3, 4 years or 5 years, uh, with many variants, not only a single variant. There, in AS, there is collection of papers, lots of papers. That's why, even if I gave you only 38 MCQs,
Yes, sir.
after that, there are so many questions. Look, when we did these 30 questions,
Sir,
we got variations of questions, right? Isn't it? So what I did, I tried to bring the variations of questions so that most of the question types are covered. Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So that you have a good practice, and you can solve any type of question. Maximum, I cannot say that you can
sir,
solve 100% questions, but at least 80%, 90% questions you can solve. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Hassan.
sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
there is any online person, like we cannot find topical papers. We can find only year wise. Like topicals are power enough.
Yeah, I am giving you topical. I am giving you topical papers. So these
No, sir,
papers
you
are
are giving, but in net, like in net.
in net. I never searched that one topical in nets. I'm making myself all these things.
স্যার ইজ বেটার যে ওই যে মনে আছে স্যার একবার যে ওই যে ইয়ে স্যারেরটা আপনাকে দেখাইছিল
Which one?
ওই যে জাহাঙ্গীর স্যার লাইক জাহাঙ্গীর স্যার one topical questions of 10 years is there.
Yeah, this one for O levels one.
Yes, sir. A levels one also can, if you make like that, that will be good for us.
Yeah, listen,
I'm telling.
that one will be good for us, but I think Sir gave that one for topical, and I am also giving you topical this way worksheet. If you are combining all the topics together, like my my 13 topics together, if you take them, it will not be smaller than Jahangir Sir's one.
No,
Do you
sir, I'm not
understand?
telling that.
So
It is good.
you
Both are okay, good.
yeah, so you are solving this. Then if you get time, you can solve more. I will give you more. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank
I
you, sir.
I I can give you. And another point is there, that after solving this worksheet, I will give you test paper. When I will give you test paper, you will get more questions, right? And you will get never
Yes, sir.
the same question. Like these questions I am giving you, but in test paper you will get different questions. So you will have more collection of past paper questions, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So about the collection of or variety of questions, you don't worry. The thing you have to worry, that is how much effort you are giving and how much you could take inside you. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir, it is
most
clear.
important thing, and how much you can absorb and store. If you are giving so many things, but you cannot only store 2%, 3%, that is useless, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We also have to think in that way. Your foundation should be strong, then you can take more. If you are having very weak foundation, and you are making a 10-storied building, what will happen? Everything will be collapsed, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So make your foundation stronger first, then you go step by step, 2-story, 3-story, 4-story, this way. That is my strategy. Okay, I have
Okay,
collections.
sir.
I can give you more, no problem. In AS, there is plenty of questions, plenty of variants. We have also February, March, okay, for A levels. So after May, June, then October, November, we have February, March, lots of collections. Now you see this equation ut, if your initial velocity is 0, then you can write this equation as half at square. Can you write?
Yes, sir. Half
Half,
80 square.
yeah, half at square you can write. When it is half at square, if u is 0, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, in M1 we have done this.
Okay. So after this, if I say there is constant acceleration and half is already constant, then you can write this equation as S is directly proportional to t square. Can we write this way?
Yes, sir. We can
When
write
it
it.
is, if A is constant, right? Are you writing, Navid?
Yes, sir.
A is constant.
স্যার আমি কথা বললাম এটা স্যার এমনি ফ্র্যাঙ্কলি মানে ই করার
No,
মতো
I
বললাম
I
মানে স্যার
appreciate always. I never mind it, and I always always try to student friendly and student welfare. All the students does not have the same capacity. We should treat the people or judge the people according to their ability, isn't it? What Einstein told. If you want
ইয়েস
a fish to climb a tree, then the fish will think himself or itself the whole life stupid, isn't it? This is Einstein's speech
ইয়েস
that
স্যার
we have to treat different people in different way. All the people will not fit in the same way. Is it clear? And also, as a person, I have to think my ability, isn't it?
ইয়েস
Okay, now you look here, this one, S is directly proportional to T square. Then you can recall one uh, distance time graph shape or displacement time shape graph you got in O levels, that if it is constant acceleration, if you are drawing ST graph, then what will be the shape? Can you remember? What is the shape? If it is displacement time graph or distance time graph, if it is constant acceleration, the shape of the graph is like this. The curved line with increasing gradient. Can you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Awesome.
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস ইয়েস
If
ইয়েস
it is constant speed, then it will be straight line. If it is stationary, it will be horizontal straight line, isn't it? This way you got. And look at this. Please try to understand. Here variable is t square, and here variable was t only. Then t square, right? That means what is variable? That one's square. What is variable? That one is square. Will be the shape like this. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you draw this, and it is making you confident, right? If you memorize, then what will happen in A-level question? If you are getting the same question, then you can answer. But if you are getting the different question, you can never answer. But it never happens in A-level that you are getting the same question. Is it clear? Always they are giving different questions. You just go through previous year questions. You will not get this type of questions. You will not get common. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The context might
Yes, sir.
might be similar, but the question will be totally different. Idea could be similar, but the question is totally different. You'll get. Okay, so we can go to the next step, right? Did you write everything? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
what
sir.
I wrote here, you
Yes.
wrote everything. Took the notes. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going to next step. We are going here we go, huh? This one. This is 5D. Okay, can you read it? Navid.
Sir, I can.
Yeah, yeah.
So a
Please.
boat is traveling in a flowing river. The velocity of the boat is still water is 14 meters per second to the east. The velocity of the water is 8 meters per second from 60 degree north of east. On figure 5.1, draw an arrow to show the direction of the resultant velocity of the boat. Determine the magnitude of the resultant velocity of the boat.
Yes. I will do that. They are
Uh,
saying on figure 5.1, draw an arrow to show the direction of the resultant velocity of the boat.
sir, we will use triangle rule.
You will use triangle rule. Okay, then if you are using triangle rule, then what will be the resultant?
Uh, Sir, should I draw it using a compass?
Sure.
So then 1 minute, I'm bringing my compass.
Look, your idea is correct, David, but what you have to do, uh, this one, you see, boat velocity is given, right? They are saying the velocity of the boat in still water is 14 meter per second to the east. Uh, so you can show your velocity here, right? The boat velocity in the x-axis, where it is shown east, and the water velocity, the direction is already given. So this one magnitude is 8, and this one magnitude is 14. So if we can make one idea like 2 centimeter, each of the 2 centimeter, uh, length of the ruler. You have the ruler, right? So 2 centimeter, sorry, 1 centimeter of the ruler is making 2 meter per second. How much? The scaling should be like that. 1 centimeter of ruler equal to 2 meter per second. Then This 8 meter per second will be 4 centimeter, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This 8 meter per second will be
4 meters
4
per second.
centimeter.
Sorry, 4
4 cent
centimeter.
and this 14 meter per second will be 7 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes.
Then your work is 90% done. You have the angle, so you can get the resultant, right?
So,
You can have the magnitude of the resultant, the one you said that we can draw a triangle to get the resultant, triangle rule. Asan, did you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So I am drawing here this one 7 centimeter, right? Isn't it? This one is 4 centimeters. So you complete this triangle. What is the triangle rule? If
For triangle.
two vectors are shown or represented by two sides of a triangle in the same direction, then the third side in opposite direction is giving you the resultant, right? So it is resultant. And if you get the length of this, if you are getting the length of this, then you will get the value of the resultant or the magnitude of the resultant. And if you measure with ruler, you will get it 6.1. How much you will get?
6.1.
6.1 centimeter you will get. So your 1 centimeter was 2 meter per second. Then 6.1 centimeter will be how much? 12.2, right?
Yes, sir.
12.2 meter per second. Your resultant will be 12.2 meter per second. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You took the notes. Asan, did you took the notes?
Sir,
Yes.
Yeah,
my
tell
gear
me.
comes 6 centimeter.
Huh?
6 centimeter.
Whose one? Your one is coming 6 centimeter, no problem. We can
So
have
it's,
this range. If you are drawing scale diagram, then we are
yes, sir.
accepting this type of variation or range. Is it clear?
Yes,
Some
yes.
of you might get 6.2, no problem. Some of you will get 6. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the range is given 12 to 12.4. So your value is in range, but the exact answer is 12.2.
Yes, sir.
For scale diagram, the range is given 12 to 12.4. The correct value you can accept.
Okay, sir. So plus 1 centimeter or minus 1 centimeter.
Yes, yes, we are accepting that one.
Okay.
Okay. So we are done till, I think we are done till 5, the drawing part. We have next one, 7, right? 7C.
7C.
Yeah, 7C onwards we'll go in next class. Okay. Hasan,
So that
on,
means a Saturday.
on Saturday you please make your data okay so that you can continue the class.
Inshallah, sir.
Inshallah, please do it.
I will try.
If you do it, that will better for us to continue and to go faster, to finish the syllabus earlier. Okay?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
But Hasan, you are not inviting us. with you in Tangail. You are only enjoying.
Okay, sir. Invited.
Invited now. Okay, then how can you manage so many people together, huh? Really invited?
Yes, sir.
So you invite in
Yes.
our group. Sufyan, Navid, everyone you invite. Let's see who is going with you. Okay, thank you so much. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.